How to verify your identity on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on TikTok. So in order to verify your identity on TikTok, it's a very simple procedure. First of all, open up your TikTok application, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Now while you're on this page, this is how the interface is going to look like. Go ahead and tap the profile icon located right at the bottom and tap the trial bar icon from the top right hand side and go to settings and privacy. As you click on settings and privacy, while you're on this page, go to accounts, and as soon as you click on accounts, it's going to direct you to the other interface. Over here, you'll need to tap on account information. After you click on account information, you need to go to contact information, and now you can begin with the verification process. Now go ahead and follow all of the instructions and accordingly upload the documents. So that's how you can verify your identity on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.